This is a tutorial, a step-by-step guide created by yours truly, Roxana Turnbo. Heart dance, heart dance, yeah. Hi, welcome and thank you for opting in into seeing this world's first DIY PDF download of foundation and contouring with confidence like a pro. Another commonly asked question is, how do I apply mineral foundation? It's okay, girl. I got your back. You're not the only one wondering, okay? It could be a very overwhelming world, especially with something that is so new and transfer free, so that you could wear your face mask with a flawless, seamless look. So today we'll begin with following the imaginary zones. Zone 1, Zone 2, and Zone 3. The space between the fingers defines the zone area. Now, to apply mineral foundation, we highly recommend an angle brush such as this, or a flat brush. If you do not have one, we offer our Pro GRRL set. Our entire 10-piece brush set is incredible. You cannot miss any brush action with our brush set. So, moving on. Step 1. Dab. Tap is step 2. Tap the brush lightly into the mineral powder container to shake off excess. Step 3, start in section 1 of the imaginary zones, then begin at the hairline by feathering the powder into the edge of the hairline, then brush in downward motion, crossing section to border. Keep in mind that the #1 factor in applying mineral foundation is to follow the direction of your facial hair growth. Step 4, repeat steps 1 and 2. Then start at the bottom of section 2 and repeat the downward brush strokes like in step 3. Cross section 3 on border. Go for more powder as much as you want and or need, but make sure you dab and tap. Step 5. Dab, tap, start at the top of section 3 and with downward motions, rush your foundation on and well below your jawline, as far below as you like. We recommend 3 inches or 3 fingers below. You can build your mineral application as much as you want if you have light, airy, seamless, and transfer-free mineral powder like our transfer-free faux filter mineral powder. P.S. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Yes. So now that I've read this through, I want to personally show you how to do this step by step. Okay, girl. So you're grabbing your faux mineral powder, faux filter mineral powder, and you're gonna dab, tap. I dabbed a lot on, as you could tell, and I don't want all of that on me at once. Now I do have on our waterproof, there we go, anti-aging matte foundation, and I want to lock on that confidence with my transfer-free foundation. So we're going to begin at zone 1, zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. Near the hairline, we're going to brush up and then down. Love it. If you're blonde, you want to feather up a little bit near your hairline. You do not want to brush it on there, girl, okay? Yes. And then dab, tap, and apply. Downward motion. Beautiful seamless look, you guys, see? And you can go back for more as much as you want. The other beautiful thing about our faux filter mineral powder is that it's buildable. It's anti-aging. It has so many benefits. It's incredible. But it's buildable. So you can go back and put on as much as you want. I'm crossing into section 3 now. You see this? This cheater over here working in section 2 without even telling you. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. So section 1, I got very independent there for a minute. I forgot I was doing a tutorial. Section 2, tap, dab, and apply. I like to blend in my concealer or my highlighter. Around the eye, I like to follow the shape of it. Okay? Down. Up near the ears. And then down. And now we're going to go into section 3, dab, tap, and apply. I am going fast, sorry. I need to go slow. Now, the neckline, you need to go up. Here, dab, tap, and then apply. Up, 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 up. Oh. Oh. You want to go up, up, up. Around my jaw, I like to follow the line of it. Just up, up, up. Look at how seamless I look. See? Voila. Basically, at this point, you just do whatever you like, as long as you feel like you're getting your color confidence on, you know? Brush off any excess on your hands, and just, as long as you have clean, sanitized hands. We're washing and we're praying. We're washing and we're makeuping. Tap, makeup, tap, makeup, tap, makeup, tap, makeup. Mineral foundation. Okay. Now, if you haven't primed your face with a foundation primer, I suggest you do. If you are not doing foundation like I am, and you're just using your mineral powder, which you can, it is a buildable coverage foundation, just in mineral form, okay? But if you're not using our foundation, I suggest you use a primer, and then our transfer-free mineral powder, okay? Easy peasy, wonderful and pretty mineral powder foundation application. Girl, more confidence to ya. Yeah. Thank you for watching this amazing application process, and I hope I've answered your question on the thorough steps on how to apply mineral foundation. Now,
open your heart and accept yourself as who you are.